guys, it's Lindacobb, the Queen of Clean. So many of you have been emailing me and even stopping me in the grocery store asking me about steam cleaning machines. Now, I know most of you at home have the little plastic things that look like a vacuum cleaner and you steam clean your floors with it. And they're sort of like what I call one-trick ponies. They don't do anything else. So I've been testing steam cleaners for a long time now. And I want to share with you the one I use at home, and the one that I really like is called the VAPAMORE. Now, what that means is steam love, and it's an incredible steam machine. They have stainless steel boilers so that they never break down, and the nicest thing about these is that they will do any surface in your home, including marble, granite, carpet, wood floors, tile floors. You can do any surface with them and you don't need any chemicals. Now, why do I love this machine so much? It has a lifetime warranty. That's right. It's going to be taken care of for life. If you have a problem, they take it, they fix it. So it's worth investing in a quality steam machine. I use it all the time. Now, if you have really heavy stains, if you feel more comfortable using some cleaning solution, you can use a natural cleaning product with it. But you really need nothing. And a beautiful feature of it is the way it takes off soap scum and mold and mildew. And I know that's a big problem for many of you. It's easily taken care of, easily filled, comes with great instructions. So if you're interested in a steam cleaner, consider the VAPAMORE. Go to queenofclean.com. We have the MR-100, which is the smaller at-home version. We have the MR-750, which is a bigger, almost more commercial, if you have a large house version. And both of them will do a great job for you. Now, we're posting all kinds of videos that will show you all the uses for the machine, and not only that, we'll take you through what to do when the box arrives at the house. We'll unpack it with you. We'll show you how to use each of the tools so that it's not something that you can't get out, get up, and get ready and use right away. So if you're looking for a great steam machine, look at the VAPAMORE at queenofclean.com.